Hello friend, today I discuss some important question of trigonometry. Question number first. If tan A is equal to square root 2 minus 1, so that sin A into cos A is equal to square root 2 divide 4. So we draw a right angle triangle that is ABC. AB is base and BC is perpendicular and AC is hypotenuse. Since tan A is equal to perpendicular divide base, so the value of perpendicular is square root 2 minus 1 and the value of base that is equal to 1. So Pythagoras theorem, according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square that is AC square, hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So the value of base that is equal to 1 and the value of perpendicular that is square root 2 minus 1 to the whole square. So 1 square that is equal to 1 plus, open this bracket, by this formula a plus b to the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So 1 plus 2 plus 1 minus 2 root 2. So 1 plus 2 plus 1 minus 2 root 2 that is equal to 4 minus 2 root 2. AC square equal to 4 minus 2 root 2. So AC equal to square root 4 minus 2 root 2. Since sin A is equal to perpendicular divide hypotenuse, so the value of perpendicular that is equal to square root 2 minus 1 and the value of hypotenuse is square root 4 minus 2 root 2. Cos A is equal to base upon hypotenuse, the value of base that is equal to 1 and the value of hypotenuse that is equal to square root 4 minus 2 root 2. So that sin A into cos A equal to square root 2 divide 4. So we take LHS sin A into cos A. The value of sin A equal to square root 2 minus 1 divided by square root 4 minus 2 root 2 into the value of cos A 1 divide square root 4 minus 2 root 2. So multiply this, that is equal to square root 2 minus 1 divided by square root 4 minus 2 root 2 to the whole square. So square root 2 minus 1 divided by 4 minus 2 root 2. So we can write 4 that is equal to 2 into root 2 into root 2. So square root 2 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2 minus 2 root 2. So we common 2 root 2. So square root 2 minus 1 divided by square root 2 minus 1. So square root 2 minus 1 is cancel out square root 2 minus 1. So therefore 1 by 2 root 2. We multiply square root 2 in numerator and square root 2 in denominator. So square root 2 divided by 2 into 2. So square root 2 divide 4 is the answer. Next question. Question number 2. If sin B is equal to 1 by 2, so that 3 sin B minus 4 cos B is equal to 0. We draw a right angle triangle that is ABC. Sin B is equal to 1 by 2, that is perpendicular divide hypotenuse. So by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square that is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So the value of hypotenuse that is equal to 2 and the value of hypotenuse that is equal to into 2 BA square plus the value of perpendicular that is equal to 1. So 2 square that is equal to 4 is equal to BA square plus 1. So BA square equal to 4 minus 1. BA square is equal to 3, that is BA equal to square root 3. Since cos B is equal to base divide hypotenuse, so the value of base that is equal to square root 3 and the value of hypotenuse that is equal to 2. So cos B is equal to square root 3 divide 2. So that 3 cos B minus 4 cos cube B is equal to 0. So we take LHS that is equal to 3 cos B minus 4 cos B cube. So 3 into the value of cos B that is equal to square root 3 divide 2 minus 4 into square root 3 divide 2 to the whole cube. So 3 root 2 divide 2 minus 4 into 3 root 3 divide 8. 4 1 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8. So is that is equal to 3 root 2 divide 2 minus 3 root 2 divide 2, that is equal to 0. So my dear friend, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube.